The man who is always busy is the man who never has to answer the real question, not because he does not know what the question is, because the busyness makes sure he never has time to sit with it. The real question is this: what is actually different about your situation because of the work you did last month? Not what did you complete, not what did you deliver, what changed. Most men cannot answer that, and the busyness is why. There are two types of work: work that maintains your current position, and work that changes it. Most men spend almost every working hour on the first type, and call the exhaustion from that evidence that they are building something. They are not building, they are maintaining, and maintenance is invisible until the moment you stop doing it. You already know which type of work fills most of your hours. The question is whether you are willing to count it honestly. Today on Ironframe, 3 things that separate maintenance from leverage, and the one audit that tells you which you have been doing. Consider a man with a full calendar. Every hour spoken for, inbox at 0 by midnight, meetings attended, deliverables submitted, commitments honored. By every visible measure, he is working. By the only measure that matters, his position has not changed in 3 years. He is not lazy. He is not undisciplined. He is not coasting. He is fully committed to a set of activities that were never designed to change his position, only to maintain it. And because maintenance produces visible output, completed tasks, checked boxes, submitted work, it feels identical to progress from the inside. Then one day he stops, not to rest, not because he is tired. He stops because someone asks him a question he has never been asked before. What is actually different about your life because of the work you did last year? He tries to answer. He cannot. That is not a productivity problem. That is the activity trap. The activity trap has 3 mechanisms. 3 specific ways maintenance disguises itself as progress, and 3 specific ways to break the disguise, not by working less, by working differently. This is what they are. Principle 1. Urgency displaces importance. The maintenance work is always urgent. It has deadlines. It has consequences if missed. It makes noise. The leverage work, the work that would actually change your position, is almost never urgent. It has no deadline. No one is chasing it. It will not collapse if you delay it one more day, which is why you delay it one more day, every day. Principle 2. Busyness is a defense mechanism. When someone asks why you have not done the thing that would actually change your position, "I have been flat out," is the answer that sounds like productivity and functions like avoidance. It is socially accepted, universally understood, never challenged, which makes it the perfect cover for the one thing you have not done. Not because you could not, because it required you to stop moving long enough to think about where you are going. Principle 3. The only metric that matters is what changed. Not how many hours, not how many tasks, not how many deliverables. What is structurally different about your position because of the work you did? If the answer is nothing, you spent that time on maintenance, and maintenance is necessary, but maintenance is not building, and confusing the two is the reason the position does not change. Urgency will always displace importance unless you protect the time. Busyness will always provide the excuse unless you make yes or no the only answer. Output will always feel like progress unless you measure what changed, not what was completed. 3 mechanisms, 1 trap, 1 question that breaks all 3. What changed? Most men will finish this video and go back to the full calendar. They will check the inbox, attend the meeting, submit the deliverable, and call the day productive. And they will not be wrong. The day was productive. Their position will be unchanged next year. Not because they did not work, because they did not measure what changed, and the track keeps running, and the years keep passing, and the position stays the same. A small number of men will do something different, not work less, not abandon the maintenance. They will add 1 protected hour, 1 yes or no question at the end of each week, 1 sentence that asks what changed. Those 3 additions take less than 2 hours a week, and in 6 months, the man who made them will be in a different position from the man who kept the full calendar and nothing else, not because he worked harder, because he measured differently. Subscribe to Ironframe if you want to think at this level, not because we will change what you do, because we will change what you measure.